Okay, we're going to do another 3/4 song using the down strums, and this is Home on the Range. I'm at 80 beats per minute, 3/4 time. This does have one pickup word on O, and you'll come in strumming on Oh, give me a home. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Let's play it again. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. 2, 3, 1, 2, stop. Good. Nice job. On to the next song. Hope you're having fun. I am.